Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video. Start out here in the S&P. You're going to notice we've had quite the run up today, but as of right now, we are coming up into resistance on all four of the major stock index futures. As you can see here in the S&P has without a doubt had a nice little run up. If you've been watching my videos the last few days, I've kind of touched on the points. If we're able to close and stay above this 8 period and 21 period exponential moving average, I'm going to look for long side opportunities here in the S&P, and that has not changed. We continue to look for long side opportunities. In the trading room this morning, we were getting long the stock index futures right out of the gate here. First thing this morning, 5 or 6 minutes after the open, we took a Russell long. It was just a little more of a clean setup than the S&P, even though the S&P is a little bit more of a bullish market. But from an intraday perspective, we got a nice Russell trade to the long side. But I will definitely let you guys know that we are coming right up to resistance here on all the markets, all the stock index futures here. Here's the S&P. You can see all-time highs. We're getting ready to touch it. I'm going to definitely take my foot off the gas. Going to take a little break here, wait. Probably not going to do anything the rest of the day. Wait for tomorrow morning, see if we're going to get a little pullback, retest the 8 period moving average before possibly getting a thrust, or are we going to go ahead and pop on through the highs here? If that's the case, if we go ahead and pop on through these highs, I'm going to continue to look for this market to grind onto the upside. Here on the S&P real quickly, you can see we got a really clear low to high, really clean pullback here. If you guys trade Fibonacci's, we came right down into our little buy zone there between the 38 and the 50% pullback, and we have a couple different targets up here. If this market catches some really good momentum, we're without a doubt going to go ahead and fill these this 23%, which is just above the 1900 here. And then if we really catch some momentum, the 61.8% extensions all the way up here at the big 2000 number. So where are we going to hit from here? I don't know, but my main goal now is to see if we're going to get above this previous high tomorrow and start to push higher, or are we going to go ahead and have a little bit of a pause and possibly pull back, because that's just what the markets do. Whenever they come into a resistance like this, they will tend to pull back and take a little bit of a breather before ultimately getting that final push right through. So let me go ahead and take a quick look at the other markets. Here's the S&P, here's the Russell. As you see, the Russell's not retesting the highs, but it's retesting this previous swing high here. Same old though. Russell's definitely not held short. Remember in the previous videos we were saying how the S&P was holding a little bit stronger than the Russell. So swing trading the S&P was a little bit higher percentage trade than trading the Russell long, but now Russell's gotten through that resistance, and we're now back above the 8 period, 21 period moving average, and also looking pretty good to the upside. But like the S&P, the Russell is holding this previous resistance here, and that's where we're sitting at right now as we speak. So another interesting move here. So let's see how the market finishes the day, see if we can finish strong, and if we open up tomorrow, if we open up pulling back just a little bit, retest them faster period moving average, and then maybe get another thrust back to the upside. Here with the NASDAQ, same thing, guys. I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but I'm just showing you all the markets. Same thing with the NASDAQ here, testing resistance. And then here with the Dow. Once again, the Dow is also testing resistance like the S&P, testing these highs on the Dow. Dow and the S&P have always been a little bit stronger here over the past month or so. They're holding a little bit stronger. So I'm very curious. I'm curious if we can see the Russell and all this. Russell tends to be the leader in these markets. Whenever the market took a pause, the Russell was the first one in the more extreme pullback, and then as it's starting to bounce, the Russell's getting a really good bounce. The other one's going to bounce as well. The Russell just tends to lead it a little bit. So pay attention to that. Pay attention to the Russell. See if it's going to lead us through these all-time highs and start to push higher, or are we going to start to fizzle out here? So I'm going to sit on my hands here the remainder of the day. I'm curious the way tomorrow is going to open, but I'm going to remain bullish as long as we can stay above these faster period moving averages. And no change, guys. This is just a pullback, a little glitch, and an uptrend. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you have any questions at all, go ahead, email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thank you for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. You guys have a good afternoon.